guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw from the thumbnail, this is going to be a tournament video, but just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of context. This is an older tournament. It's from about 2 months ago. I just never got around to editing it, so it is a good video though. The fishing was tough. We only caught like a little over 8 pounds, but it is a really funny video. We have some bloopers in here. I snapped off an A-rig, which is on tape. We broke a piece off the live scanner and had to almost bail in the water to get it, so that's pretty funny. And then I ended up jerking once and didn't realize my line was underneath one of my dad's rods, and it ends up throwing the rod out in the lake, and we ended up being able to save it. But all hilarious stuff that happened, and I left it in the video. You can watch us. We caught some fish, nothing big, but it was still a good time, and figured I'd share it with you guys. So let's roll the fishing. Got him. Get him. He's little.
He hooked himself. I heard him. I wasn't even looking. I was looking off, gawking.
Probably like a bluegill though. Oh. Get him. Well. He looks bigger than the other one, or pretty close to the same size. Need a net?
Huh?
Need a net?
I don't think so. I don't think he's that big.
No. He might keep. Good call throwing over there. Oh. Yeah. Man, they're strong.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna measure though, buddy. Sorry about you. Little bitty dink. Don't spin it, don't spin it, don't spin it, don't spin it, don't spin it. Old last swim getting her done. And it don't matter who sees that because nobody got one. Except me. And if I'm going to sell them to you today, they're going to be expensive.
After the tournament, we'll have a red light special.
Yeah, before the tournament, not so much. Could be. Oh, hey. I saw that too. Woo!
I do not like that.
No.
We go by the bank?
Yeah.
Let's just go by the bank. I don't like being out here. I like being about closer to the trees.
Yeah, at least it probably hit the trees. Woo! That was a little spicy right there. That was pretty quick thunder too.
Yeah, that was right above it.
Oh! Hey! Good save!
Broke my ears off of it though.
Man. Oh, wait.
What? very expensive rig
in the world is going on today? Ooh. Okay.
You get a little backlash?
Huh.
Oh, crap.
Now there goes my rig. I had the button pressed and everything.
Wow. Well, it snapped awful loud.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, probably a good idea. Before we end up. Oh, there's one. Blind cast. I don't know how big he is. Oh, maybe. I don't. Maybe. I was blind casting out there. He's long.
He's long. I hope he's 14.
I hope he is too. You got your board?
Huh?
Got the board?
Right there. I put it out for you.
Thank you.
Are you going shallow?
Oh, hey, what? What the heck?
What? In the mud?
He's in the mud.
And you caught him on jerkbait?
Mm-hmm. Shallow. Well, he keeps.
Hey. We're getting anyway waiting for you.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Good job, son.
Awesome. Get him.
That's like a good fish.
Come on, B14.
That's a good fish, I think. These keepers. There's two of them. Maybe one with it.
Easy with him. Oh, we barely hooked it. Heck yeah.
I had a feeling this was the way fishing.
That's some relief.
People ain't beat out here.
All right, I'm gonna come work this way. You do that.
Go ahead and work it.
See if we can cull something, maybe.
Oh, the one coming after yours.
Oh, golly, there he is. There he is. Oh, he feels pretty decent. I don't know yet. He feels decent. Oh, nah, I'm gonna swing him. I'm gonna swing.
Go gently.
I'll go gently. I don't. He might call that other one. I don't know.
Coming across. Oh, he's coming. Let's see. Let's hope it's a bass. They're big, crappie fish.
I can't tell what it is.
Bass, nice jump.
It's crappie. Big old bucket mouth.
Those things big crappie out
I'm gonna weigh him.
here.
Put him in. Dang. Golly, buddy. That is definitely a bucket mouth.
Oh, I kept pinning it the other day.
He smoked it. Good. Yep. He's long. I don't think he'll make
I
it.
don't think he'll quite make it.
He is long.
Yeah. Have this to ourselves.
Yeah, just hammer him. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stop a little short. Oh, hey. Good one? Yeah. Oh, God, get out of that.
You gotta help us.
Good one. I'll try to keep you out of the net.
It's alright.
Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
That'll help.
That'll help.
That may be the biggest fish we got.
He's heavy.
heavy.
God, he's fat.
I told you, he's heavy. Go run it.
You know how many film clips I'm going to have netting your fish?
I'm not sorry on that one.
Hey, we're on team. I'm good with it.
I know.
It'd be different if you're whooping my butt. I was on a different boat.
You contributed well today.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
We both caught some key fish today.
We have.
3 of them. There he is.
Good one?
I don't know. There's 3 of them though. They all look about the same size. I don't know how big he is. Nah, he ain't big. Can't tell. All I know is there's 3 of them and they're the same size. And they worked exactly how I thought they would. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, there he is. I saw the setup.
They should do 10 inches longer.
And about 4 more pounds. That's what I saw. Good throws. He's up by the surface too.
Yep.
Oh,
You got him. This is fun.
even if they're small, it's still fun.
Yeah. Well, not quite big.
Ain't gonna help.
He looked bigger than that.
Yeah, he did. Come on. Oh, golly, there he is.
Is he going?
I don't know. One of them was real big. Oh, they're following me. Oh, hey.
Did he get it?
No. I just got him hooked funny.
Make sure he ain't. I don't think he'll help.
I don't think he'll measure.
I don't think he will either. Let's try him though.
You know you want it. Be a good place to catch a big one.
We just win.
Yeah, we do.
You know, when we get the win, we catch them.
Mm-hmm. Oh. So crop?
Oh, it's crop.
If I sell it, a crappie. Man. Nothing like a giant crappie.
Everything about
Oh,
that says
right there.
there's a bigger one.
Yep.
Right there. See?
Yep, good job.
Oh, come on. I got him again. You need a rig right there.
I do.
I got a bigger fish. You
Okay.
get the net.
Okay.
I threw to the big one, so I saw the bigger one jump on the side. I think this is a bigger fish. I don't know. I could be wrong.
Oh.
That going away from me.
Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, good one. Oh. Go ahead. I'm just gonna try to catch him. He didn't look big. Oh, there he is. I didn't even jerk it yet. I don't know. I don't think so. He's fat, but he's little. Pretty close.
Go ahead, Bobby.
Water, cold tags, and all.
Yeah, we just deduct 8 pounds a gallon per load.
Yeah.
That's what you want.
They're lively fish here.
Yeah,
They're healthy.
sure.
Cold tags.
Yeah.
They just all about carbon copies, you know. We don't have that much. I don't think.
If we had had 3 more fish go with ours, we'd be doing pretty good.
You catch a good one?
Almost a 4-pounder and a.
Hey, there you go. We couldn't find
You
him.
did. I didn't catch nothing. I was running the net today.
I gotta trade my partner in, y'all.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Have you taught him to run the net yet?
Oh, I'm a net. Hey, listen, I'm a net. 6'10". 8'6".
About what we thought.
My new scale said 8.5. Pretty good.